Hi and welcome. Today I am going to show you how to sublimate and assemble the new notebooks that we already have available on our website Lone Star Sublimation Blanks. Well, let's start. I already have here the design that I am going to need. In this case I have it sized at 8.5 by 11 inches. The notebook covers are sized at 8 by 10.5 inches. So by making it the full size of a letter-sized sheet, you have enough margin on the sides so the entire cover is sublimated. With our design and measurements ready, we send to print in mirror mode and with the sublimation paper of your choice. You can use the print settings that you regularly use according to the color profile of your inks. In this case I am using the color profile of the Sublicolor inks. I already have my default settings and I only check the print size and send it to print. In the comments section I give you the link to their website so that you can purchase the Sublicolor inks, if you want to start in this world of sublimation. You can purchase them and receive help at all times for the installation and configuration of the color profile so that your prints come out perfect. Here our design is already being printed. Okay, we already have our design printed on sublimation paper in mirror mode, and we also have our notebook that we are going to sublimate. We will need heat-resistant tape to secure our design to the cover. We remove the front cover from our notebook and now place the shiny side facing our print, like this, and then secure it with heat-resistant tape to prevent our image from shifting when sublimating. Well, we already have our heat press preheated to a temperature of 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Now we place the cover of the notebook already with the printing secured with heat-resistant tape. Remember, when sublimating, the sublimation paper always goes on top and the product to be sublimated goes on the bottom, like this. We close our heat press and sublimate at a temperature of 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 60 seconds using high pressure. In this case I am placing butcher paper both below and above the print to protect the plate from possible ink stains. Ready, I'm done. Now we remove the butcher paper carefully because it's hot. Now we remove the sublimation paper by removing the tape, being careful not to damage the notebook cover because it's hot, always from the inside out. And this is how our Sublimation notebook cover looks. As you can see, it has very bright colors. As you can see, we can run our finger through our sublimated cover and the ink does not run. We just have to be careful because it is a bit hot. Okay, now we are going to place our sublimated cover in our notebook. In this case, I am not going to sublimate the paste on the back of the notebook to save time in the video. But the same procedure that we just did is done. Now we align the covers with the pages of the notebook and we begin to insert our spiral into the holes of our notebook in this way, until we complete everything. And it's ready. This is how our sublimated notebook looks. As you can see, its finish is very clean and beautiful. Perfect for this back to school or as a gift for teachers or even for companies that want to have a personalized notebook with their company logo. Well, I hope this video helps you with the process and spiral placement correctly. I remind you that they are already on our website LoneStarSublimationBlanks.com ready to order. If you have any questions, you can leave me a comment here in the video and I will gladly help you. You can also join our Facebook group where exclusive ideas, tutorials and coupons are showcased, and don't forget to subscribe, like and turn on notifications for more tutorial videos to come. Thanks and see you soon.